Akyinim and destroyed many buildings, people's homes, offices, and a lot of property. It's rather unfortunate. OYC Headquarters is also damaged. The roof is ripped up. Our chalet 2 and 3, the roof is damaged. Our doors, windows are also damaged.
Obey YouthCare, OYC, was founded in 2004 to end impoverished and unhealthy conditions experienced by the 1.1 million orphans and extremely needy children in Ghana, West Africa. OYC provides support to community-based organizations and caregivers that support these vulnerable children in the areas of adequate housing, clothing, daily nutrition, education, medical care, emotional care, and counseling. Obey YouthCare built its headquarters after being granted land by the Brenu Akyinim elders. With a physical building, support from donors, and trained volunteers, Obey YouthCare will be able to fulfill its mission. OYC's accomplishments include school supplies and funds for approximately 350 primary, secondary, and collegiate students, placed nearly 150 youth in foster care while providing services to meet their basic needs. The Brenu Akyinim Board of Education appointed OYC's founder Kojo Bey the chairman of education for their school complex in 2012. In 2013, wired the school complex with electricity and lights for the first time in Brenu Akyinim's history. OYC's headquarters has been a guest house and safe haven to over 250 international and domestic travelers. Planted a small-scale sugarloaf pineapple farm to help generate revenue to pay monthly operating expenses at its headquarters. We have organized a team of volunteers that are willing to repair the damages to the OYC buildings. The volunteers will also clear more land to plant more revenue-generating plants to help Obey YouthCare establish a fund for repairs, maintenance, and expansion. OYC needs to raise $12,000 in 20 days to purchase materials and supplies needed to fix the OYC chalet roofs, doors, gates, windows, and other minor repairs.